Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hadra and today we're going to be using Word. So you click search and search a word and click on Word. Then click on blank document and you'll get like this piece of paper. It's kind of a sheet. You can just cross this if this pops up. And then you need to select your size of your writing, yeah. And once you select it, over here you have these these like categories you can say. Then you can click any yeah, and then you can write stories on Word. You can write like documents and files and Okay, I wrote a story, The Best Bee. A long time ago, there was a bee named Billy. Billy was a cute little bee, but he loved enjoyed. I just wrote enjoyed. I know my typing is super slow because you guys know I'm too small, like 8 years old. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. These rules are very important. Oh, yes, they are. At the end, I'm going to fix all of my mistakes, and if I do it right now, it's going to take a lot of time. So that's why. Okay, guys, there will be two parts, part 1 and part 2. I'll correct all my mistakes in the other video.